Guys, in this makeup video I am doing another makeup collaboration. This one is a fairy dust inspired makeup look and I'm collaborating with 3 other ladies. I am collaborating with Shelly, Brianna, and Anya. I'll have their channel names and links in videos in the description bar. You will have to go check out their channels to see the look they came up with. So yeah, I basically did glitter everywhere. It's kind of the whole idea, right? For fairy dust. So pretty much I used the dust, or I used the glitter as my dust. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I came up with this, keep watching. I'm starting off by taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance as my primer. I've been enjoying this lens more so than the macro lens, especially when I have imperfections super close. I don't want y'all to see. Like for example, I just picked a white head from this side and a black head from this side. I have no idea where those came from, but I just picked them with tweezers and it looks kind of gross up close. I probably could have done without knowing those details, but yeah, I'm a picker. You guys didn't know that. I like picking at things. Who else is a picker? Just let me know. I'm also subscribed to Dr. Pimple Popper on here. I'm into that type of stuff. Anyway, I'm applying this all over my eyes. Gonna be using my Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I feel like I use this quite often. It's such a versatile palette. You could do so many looks with it. It's one of the reasons I love it so much. I think it'll be perfect for a fairy dust look. So when I think of fairy dust, I think of lighter pastel colors, glitter, lots of glitter. I'm gonna do kind of like a pastel rainbow, sort of. I'm gonna start with my crease shade. I'm gonna use this color called Bubblegum here. It's pink. I'm taking that into the crease with, I'm just gonna use this MAC, or this Sigma 275. It's angled and slightly fluffy. And I think it'll be good for this. So I'm gonna take this into the crease. For the brow highlight, I'm going to go ahead and take something in the palette. This is Virgin. I think I'm going to use this. Or I might take Cone down here, this color. Actually, I think I'm going to take something more shimmery. This is Jawbreaker. I'm not sure if I've ever used this color, actually. That's the name of the palette. It's a shimmery white gold. Looks like it. Could be wrong. I'm placing this at the highest point of my arch. The crease. I'm taking Gumdrop. It's this purple here. This. I'm using an e.l.f. contour brush. It's very tapered and it's going to help me concentrate color better. So I'm taking this directly into the crease. And slightly blending it outwards. For the lid, I'm taking this color called Brain Freeze. This is a matte light blue. And I'm using a flat brush. This is just a cheap one from some brush set. It's a larger one because it's covering a large amount of space on my lid. Going back into the crease with that purple. I'm doing my lower lash line now. So I'm going to put some glitter across the entire lower lash line. Next, jumbo pencil and milk across the entire length of the lower lash line. This is basically to serve as a tacky base for the color and glitter. It does not need to be precise at all. I'm taking a pointed brush to blend it out. This is just a Sigma 219. It's even more tapered than the brush I used in my crease. I'm taking glitter to the bottom. I'm using 2 actually, I believe. Yeah, this one is Motives Lagoon Blue. It's a glitter pot. Looks like, is this open? Looks like that. And then Cutie Pop, using their multi-dimensional glitter. Look at silver 3D glitter. I'm taking the blue across the bottom, Stop and Shine, in the corner, and then I'm taking the 3D one in the inner corner. And I'm using glitter primer. Actually, I don't think I need it. Not really. So I'm taking glitter primer. This one is from e.l.f. I'm just first dumping some glitter into the lid. I'm just going to take a dollop to the lid. I'm going to take a dollop to the back of my hand. Dollop the glitter primer. Like literally a small dot to start. Because you don't need a lot. You don't want to waste product unless you do. If you're rich, you don't care. Cool. I'm not going to waste product though. Because I don't have to buy any more right now. So I'm taking that same pencil brush that I just used. And I'm lining my lower lash line. Being careful not to get it in my eye. Clean that brush off, and I'm doing the exact same thing for the 3D glitter. Dump some in the lid. I still have some primer on the back of my hand. That little dollop was plenty. Now I'm taking my 3D glitter, and I'm doing the exact same thing. It's gonna help it be brighter in the inner corner. I'm gonna take what's left in the brush and just go up. And this is gonna be a sheer concentration of glitter. It's not gonna be as intense as the lower lash line because I don't have any primer there. Any glitter primer. As you can see, it's pretty much see-through, which is what I want. The blue is super patchy. I should have used the base underneath. Have my makeup towel. These are so handy. I always link these below. They're black and they don't stain and all of that. I'm gonna take some eyeliner to the top now. Just using black NYX Epic ink liner. I have glitter all over my lashes. I'm gonna take mascara one. This is one I use for my brows. I'm just brushing this glitter out. It's kind of irritating. It's not irritating my eyes, but I can see it on my lashes. I'm gonna take this eyeliner now. I want something in my waterline now because it looks really, really bare. I'm going to take this cream gel liner from ColourPop. This one's called Prince. It's just a sky blue. You should probably do this before glitter application. Yeah, that was a great choice. I'm taking some concealer to the bottom. ColourPop No Filter Dark 40. I feel like I never used this up. I still have not. I'm just buffing it out with a Morphe M334. I need to wash this. It's probably why I got a black head, white head. Going over those spots that look gross and red. I did bring that glitter a lot lower than I normally would too, because it is a fun look. So, I'm gonna take some mascara now. I'm just using the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and do just the top lashes because I need to set the bottom with powder. So I'm gonna do the bottom lashes later. That blue eyeshadow sucks. Patchy. I'm gonna touch this back up. Then I'm going back into the blue and just tapping it into place. So I touched it back up and just realized you can't sweep it across. It doesn't suck, I guess. You just can't sweep it and blend it. You have to pack it and leave it and not blend it out afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna take some foundation now. This is my Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. I'm about I'm 2/3 of the way done now. Finally, hopefully I'll be done soon so I can move on. I'm trying to depan this. This is one of my favorite foundations I've used actually. It's really good. Coffee time. Curious what I'm drinking. I'm drinking a dirty chai with oat milk. Only using 3 ingredients. If you guys would like to know how I make it, I could do a video. It's very easy. Just let me know if you want to see that. I don't know if y'all do that. I'm taking just a cheap foundation brush to apply this. I forgot to touch up my darker spots around my mouth, and I need to. I'm going to take some NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chocolate Dark Zero for around my mouth. It really makes a difference when I do this, especially when I go to edit pictures. Make sure to blend it in with the concealer and putting even more around my mouth. Taking some powder to set my concealer. This is the NYX HD Finishing Powder. I have several finishing powders, but this one is one of my favorites. I'm just going to use this cheap brush from some random brush set. This also helps my under eye look great in pictures. Person too, not just pictures. When I say pictures, when it looks good in pictures, you know it looks good in person. Okay, I'm now taking some mascara to the bottom. I don't set the rest of my face with powder because I like the dewiness, I like the shine. I don't like to say shininess, but I don't like a matte finish. I'm applying some lashes now. I'm going to do some crazy ones. This is a fairy dust look. These are from a Kiwi. I'm not sure what number they are. So sorry, they aren't numbered. I got them from Amazon though. I still need to post my lash haul. List of things to do, I promise. This is what they look like. Just take any thick, similar lashes that you have. And the glue I use, someone asked in the video, this is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. I like the formula. I'm just not a fan of the packaging because glue gets around here and then it doesn't close all the way. Though it doesn't really make a difference as long as you're keeping it in one place. If you're trying to travel with it, that's going to be a problem. But the packaging for this isn't the best. I do like the brush applicator, but I don't like the packaging. I've never had lashes go on this perfectly. First try, and they feel great. Okay, I got those crazy lashes on. I think we're perfect with that. I'm gonna take some cheek color. I can't believe I almost forgot that. I'm taking this cream blush. It's a casual color. It's a casual lip and cheek color from MAC. It's called Evening Stroll. It's like a purple toned color. Really old. I forgot what collection it came out in. Still smells amazing. It's probably best to use your fingers or a synthetic brush, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I guess I could dip my fingers in there and then blend it out. I'm just gonna use a brush. This is MAC 116. I'm just digging my brush in there and then rubbing it on my cheeks. Yeah, this works great. You can apply as little or as much as you want. I'm gonna take a little bit extra. So it's a lot of purple, if you can see that on camera. This is super intense. Whoa, whoa. I might have gone too crazy. It's okay if you do. Cream blush. The beauty about cream blushes, you're working, you know, if you use a cream foundation, you're working with the same texture. So all you do is just take your foundation brush, don't apply any more product, and just buff it into the skin. Magic. Same to the other side. Just do the same thing. Blend it into the skin. I'm gonna skip highlighter. Just because, yeah, I'm gonna skip highlight. I'm gonna apply lip color now. Of course, I'm gonna apply a festive lip. I think I'm gonna take 2 lip colors. I'm gonna do kind of an ombre lip. I'm gonna attempt to do it at least. I don't know. First, I'm gonna take this Blow Pony because I might actually like this from Jeffree Star. I might like it on its own. Yeah, I like this on its own, so I'm not going to put another lip color. But what I am going to do is take some more of that glitter, the 3D one, before my lips dry all the way. The one from Cutie Pop I used earlier on the eyes. And I'm just going to take a brush and dab that in the center of the lips. I'm just using an angled brush. You can use whatever you want. Feel free to mix in a gloss as well. But since this stays tacky for a little while, I'm going to do this. Then you want to blend it on the outside so that it's not like, you know. Perfect. We're done with the look, guys. I have to remember not to lick my lips, press together, and drink coffee. I can't do any one of those things until I take this off my lips. But yeah, finished with the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this fairy dust makeup collaboration. Don't forget to check out Brianna, Shelly, and Anya's videos to see what they came up with for fairy dust collaboration. I'll have their links below as well as their channel so you can go subscribe and also check out their videos. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything I post. Talk to you all soon. Thank you for watching.